We're going to be doing some shooting today. I was thinking about doing a comparison of the 22 suppressors side by side, but then I got to thinking a lot of you out there may know what a 22 suppressor sounds like. That's one of the more common ones that you get, so I figured is what I'd do is not only fire the Silencer Co. Sparrow and the SWR Specter side by side, is go ahead and do a comparison of 22 to 45 Osprey, and do a comparison of the 22 next to a 300 Blackout, and also even do a 22 next to the 5.56, just so you can get a better idea of not only where the 22's at, but where these others are at, the 45 and the 300 and the 5.56. It's more of just kind of a sound demonstration, so some of you guys out there that I know are interested in purchasing some suppressors can get a better understanding of what you're looking at. There's not a whole lot of difference. That's nice.